This video was recorded on December 29, 2021. I'm uploading it this year because, well, there wasn't much time to do it last year, and I'm just getting around to editing it right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yep, that's right. Samsung SSD upgrade. Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be upgrading my primary laptop, or my main laptop's SSD from a Samsung 860 EVO 1TB to this Samsung 870 QVO 2TB. So, let's unbox it. So I'm actually just going to use my a flathead. I fixed it toolkit because I'm too lazy to go grab a knife. Alright, sorry about that. Alright. And you might remember this laptop from main laptop SSD SSD upgrade, from main laptop battery replacement video. It's probably gonna sense that, but here's the drive. There's the information. Let's get this installed. Alright. So I'm going to move this. Now I'm going to grab my iFixit toolkit. I already have it out, but I'm gonna move this over. I'm gonna grab a Phillips driver, and we're gonna unplug all the things from the laptop. I'm going to flip it over. Now this laptop is pretty easy to open, unlike some of the new laptops where the screws are actually under the keyboard. So thankfully this laptop isn't that way, so thank you Toshiba. At least these people have a brain, so yeah. This video shouldn't actually be all that long. Now you might be wondering why there's these different screws unlike the last video. Well, that's because I lost the screws when taking apart and reassembling the computer multiple times, so... And some of these screws don't even fit in properly, but they work, so... I'm going to take this off. I'm going to censor that. I don't know why I stopped the video, but there's the drive. I'm going to extract it. First, we should probably unplug the battery for safety. Alright. Going to probably gonna censor it, but this drive is going to go in my server. So we're going to now take, where did I put it? I'm going to put the new SSD into here, into this bracket, and I need to go grab a flash drive. Alright. Before I put on the bottom panel, I'm gonna plug in the battery. And yes, with this time I did install RTM again, but before I wiped the drive. Alright, I'm going to just put on the back panel, but first I want to make sure that the drive is detected by the computer. So, yeah. Let's see. Open up the lid. go to F2. And yes! Yes! Samsung SSD 870 QVO. 2TB. Lovely. So now we're going to put on the bottom screws. So let's just do that. Stop itching my eyes. I am probably gonna stop the video in a minute and grab my flash drive, so you know. But it does have a 5th gen i5. And yes, I know not the LCD, but the touch digitizer is cracked, but I might end up going out and buying a new one. But I pretty much spent all my money on just a new SSD for this computer. But we're going to plug in everything. I'm going to plug everything in, I should say. As if I can not drop everything, especially my toolkit. Let's see. Pretty sure there is nothing on the drive. Anyway. But we can see by plugging in the AC adapter. Should turn on, yeah, there we go. Yep, no boot device. Please restart system. Alright. I should probably actually move this over a bit. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna grab my flash drive, so I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I grabbed my flash drive. I tidied up my area where I have my laptop a little bit, so we're going to plug in this flash drive into the USB port. I did shut off the laptop, but I do have an external keyboard and stuff plugged in, so we're going to go to F12. I did just create this USB a little bit ago. Now I know it has a USB 2.0 drive, so speeds aren't going to be all that fast, but once we get Windows installed, which I'm going to install Windows using commands again, yeah. Which I already have a plan for some of this stuff, so, yeah. Where this drive's gonna go, so, yeah. I'm gonna pause until it's loaded. Alright, so we're going to do Shift F10. I'm gonna remove the USB drive so I can make this a C drive. The drive that's in it, the Samsung disk part. And I'm gonna make the flash drive drive letter. Alright, I wanna see if disk part can recognize it. Yes, it can! Alright, we're all free. We're gonna select disk 0. We're gonna do a clean anyway. Make sure there's nothing. Alright, we're gonna convert it to GPT. We're gonna create the partition. EFI. We're gonna make it the size 64 megs. I'm gonna format it quick. This, that, to assign letter W, create RPRI, format quick. Now I'm gonna assign it letter C. If you guys are going to be doing this, do it at your own risk. I'm not responsible for any data loss if you guys are doing this. So, just as a disclaimer. Even though I could just apply the image off the even though I could apply the image off the USB to the drive, I just want to have a little bit more speed and just copy it to the drive. Even though it's more time to waste, but it's for more speed, so meh. Yeah. So probably this, I'm gonna pause it until it's done because I don't want to use a lot of time and save a little bit of time. So, alright guys, so it has copied. I'm just gonna set this over here. I'm gonna go to C colon and now I'm gonna apply the image. Now I am going to do /compact, even though I will have 2 terabytes of storage. You never know how much storage I'm going to use, so I'm going to let this apply the image. To save time, I'm going to stop the video. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm going to delete the install image that I copied to the computer. And I'm going to add the BCD. Or their boot files, BCD boot, C/Windows, alright, I'm going to need mouse, alright, I'm going to go to the boot picker, because why not, I'm actually going to, plug in my USB Ethernet adapter. I'm just gonna plug my external keyboard because let's see. Alright. I'm going to insert my favorite song in 3, 2, 1. The song I used in the last SSD upgrade or restoration. 3, 2, 1. Up. Escape. There we go. I don't know why I tried to boot to PXE, but I think I'm just gonna pause it as well. You guys have already seen this part, so why even bother? And it shouldn't even take that long, so I'm just gonna pause the video, so it's just to save time, so Hey guys, so we're going to Oob right now. So yeah, it really didn't actually take that long, actually. I just want to save time as, first, less editing time, and 2, you basically have already seen this before, so I already basically showed that in the last restoration, which this isn't going to be a restoration video, but I guess I put it in the Computer and VM Adventures series, so this is technically kind of like a computer adventure, but it's not more kind of both a restoration and a computer adventure-ish. Because technically I restored I'm not restoring it, but I'm at least doing an upgrade. So I'm going to yes, I live in the US. Yes, use the US keyboard layout. No, I don't want a second layout. Alright. Alright, so to do. Cool. Fine with me. This time I didn't have to bother censoring, or at least censoring this. I'm obviously probably going to censor the drives because I don't want anyone having my IMEI or whatever, the serial number and stuff. So at least don't have to censor the networks because people have names on the networks. So alright, I accept that. I'm going to do, like I did in the last video, local user. No, I don't want a password since I'm just gonna connect to my domain. Don't want any of these on. I am going to connect to my domain and do configuration off video, so I'm just gonna pause this while it just goes through setup. So, guys, so it says searching for display driver. I'm going to do some customizations real quick. I guess I could just use the start menu, but whatever. I'm gonna go update security. I don't want that. And go ahead and check for updates. Close that out. I haven't did a fresh install 21H2 on this computer, at least with the main drive. I really haven't used 21H2 on the system, so yeah. I mean, I did have it on there before I went all crazy, before, like 2 days before, because it was supposed to come yesterday, but yeah. For some reason, Amazon decided it would come within a business day, which technically yesterday was. Well, I'm just gonna do this key on update security. That graphics driver, I'm gonna have to get my graphics driver I have on my backup drive, because that's not even up to date, that graphics driver. I don't know why Windows Update, it like installed an older version on certain computers and decided to install an older version of the graphics driver. I don't know why Microsoft decided to do that. But yeah. I'm going to stop the video while all these updates download and install, and I'll come back. So, yeah. Alright guys, so the computer wants to restart. The computer fell down, I don't know why. But I'm going to tell it to restart. All the updates have been installed. Well, it got restarted too. Completed, but I'm going to pause the video and let this update, so yeah. Alright guys, so it's been done for a little bit, but I'm just now getting around to messing with it again. So I have some optional updates, install those. I'm gonna check it 2 more times. Hopefully this time thing doesn't take forever to do these 2 updates. But I'm gonna pause it. Alright, so we'll check it 2 more times and I'm just gonna stop the video after it's done. If any of these don't come. Alright, hurry up. Hurry up. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this SSD upgrade, give it a like, put a thumbs up, and comment, like, share, and subscribe, I guess. So, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.